Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable 120 frames per second on your PlayStation 5. So you need to do this on the PlayStation as well as the game. So let's go to the home screen here and go to Settings and scroll on down to where it says Screen and Video. Then under Video Output, go to the right and we can go to where it says Current Video Output Signal. Make sure you have a TV that is 120 hertz. Otherwise, you won't be able to get 120 frames per second. So you can see this right here. Mine says 60 hertz. So I'm unable to do 120 frames per second on my PlayStation. Also, make sure your HDMI cable is plugged into slot 3 or 4 on the back of your TV. If it is in slot 1 or 2, depending on your brand of the TV, it will not work. So just look at the back of your TV if it's not showing up 120 hertz. Then go to where we can see 120 hertz output and select automatic. And also turn on ALLM if you have that as an option and it's supported. This is auto low latency mode. Now we can go back and we want to go to where it says save data in game app settings and select this. Go to game presets, go to the right, and then we want to go to performance mode. And this will be 120 frames per second when we start our games. Now we want to go back to our game and then relaunch Call of Duty. Then press options. Tab on over to settings, go to graphics, and this is where you can usually find the 120 FPS option. Just select it and turn it on, and you should be able to find it under here, and then it should turn on. So if you're going to be doing this in Fortnite, Apex Legends, go to display or graphics, and you should see the option in there for 120 frames per second. Just make sure you restart it after turning it on in the settings. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.